so I can put it away, please. Can I have it? Thank you. Okay, now I'm going to put it away. Let's put it back. It goes in here. Thank you. What a good helper you are. Oh, that one's stuck. Try a different one. Good job. Oh, thank you. You are a very good helper. Thank you. Wow, that's a spoon. Thank you. You are such a good helper. Hi, Dampy. You're so cute. Are you all done helping? Well, thank you. Say bye-bye. I've been a very helpful Squinty, and this has been a helpful Squinty production. Okay, let's not do the dishes part. You can help me with the silverware all you want. I love you. Don't touch that. It's hot. Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You're so cute.